Hello guys, myself Sotik Dotto. Today I am going to talk about Upskill with PCS Global to launch your dream software development career. So let's start. Begin your software development career. PCS Global offers courses to help you or your team improve their skills in areas such as Java, Python, and other programming languages. Take a look at our courses and see how they can help you find your edge, improve your abilities, improve your job prospects based on your role and talents. Find the best learning path for you. Participate in hands-on hand practice, study for a certification, and much more, all tailored to your specific need. PCS Global offers training in key core areas to assist you to obtain a competitive and cutting edge advantage. The following are some of the subjects on the list: Java, Python, ASP.NET, Ruby, PHP. Benefits of gaining skill: high demand in market. The demand of software engineers in skyrocketing at the world become increasingly digital and technology dependent. Computer and digital technologies have become indispensable element of our daily lives, and this industry is continuously growing. New and developing industries are heavily retail on technology, and mobile technology adoption is rapidly increasing. The best aspect is that software engineers are needed in practically every business. Give you the freedom to work in your preferred field. You can work in a wide range of fields including technologies, healthcare, automobile, production, green energy, remote sensing, finance, and military, and so on. Second point is future prospect: artificial intelligence, robot, enterprise solution with custom programming languages for data processing, statistical and analytical analysis, operating and functioning, cybersecurity, and so on are all predicted to be a part of our future. New large-scale space missions are planned to launch requiring software developer support. Not only will this provide possibilities for software developers, but it will also provide opportunities for mobiles of engineers who will once again rely on software developers for support, technical counseling, and integration of solution and novel ideas. The third point is the salary that pays well. Software developers are predicted to rise by 19% between 2014 and 2024, according to the area of labor statistic, which is substantially faster than the average for all jobs. Software developers are ranked second in the best technology job and 13 in the 100 best jobs. The United States has low unemployment rate of 2.0% and a high pay rate, with most employees offering bonus paid time off, free medical care, and other benefits. The next point is working from any location is possible. Many individual dreams of working from home, but as a developer you can accomplish much more. You don't even have to be at home because all you need is computer and an internet connection. It is possible to work from anywhere in the world. If you are an if you are a New Zealand immigrant, this allow you to visit retail without having to take vacation time. Perhaps you aspire to be a nomad and travel the globe. While traveling, software developers gigs allow you to keep steady income. The last point is work in a good environment. If you don't wind up working from home, you will always have a placement working environment if you work in IT. It is the simple thing in life that make the day go be faster. A lovely conditioned workplace, a comfortable chair, a quick internet connection, and a coffee machine. You would not be working outside in the rain, hail, or snow as a software engineer. So this is from my side. See you in next video. Bye. Have a nice day.